third section, uses of study of population. First, to study the composition of population. Second, to preparation of inventories of human resources in society. Third, effective development planning. Fourth, utilize the data on the age, sex distribution. Fifth, to study the social economic structure. Sixth one, to know sex ratio. Seventh, density of population. Eighth, family size. Ninth, dependency ratio. 10th, life expectancy. The detail going on. What is meant by sex ratio? The female per 1000 male. In India, sex ratio 930 female per 1000 males according to 2001 census. Density of population. The total number of persons living in square kilometers. In India, 324 per square kilometer. Family size. Total number of persons in a family. In India, 3:1. Dependency ratio. The proportion of person above 65 years and children below 15 years of age who are depends on the economically productive age group. Life expectancy. The average number of years who a person that age may expected to live. In India, 64 males, 68 females according to 2014. Census of India responsible to take census for every 10 years. Thank you. Have a good day.